So this is what's in my fridge. So it may look like I have a lot of butter. Whoa, almost dropped it. It may look like I have a lot of butter, but I really don't. This is pretty much finished, and it has like cinnamon stuff in it that I used one time, and I'm pretty sure this is expired because this was a while back. I did this, but whatever. And then this one, butter's brand new. And then in this one, oh, it's brand new, so actually we do have a lot of butter. And then I don't eat this, but my parents bought some Azuma Gourmet seaweed salad. It's gluten-free, no trans fat, vegetarian, no cholesterol. So, yeah. So, let me take a quick whiff of it, because I don't like too much stuff. Oh, okay. I might have to make up a challenge called the whiffing challenge, the sniffing challenge, and you have to sniff stuff. So this is just some salad stuff with this. Like technically some stuff that like we used to make salad with is like this one here at the top. Like as you see, like, we have a lot of salad stuff. This only has 2 pieces of pancakes in it, but I eat this. I eat Aunt Jemima. It has tough buttermilk pancakes. I like it. And then I get the Aunt Jemima syrup, which I don't normally do, but it's just because my mom decided to buy this, so I can't tell her what to buy. So on this side, we have chicken. We have ranch in the back right here. We have chicken. We have ranch in the back right here. We have. Oh, gross! What's that sticky stuff on the beer? There's beer right here, but there's sticky stuff on it. I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to put it back just the way I found it. Ew. And then I have some teriyaki, some yuri teriyaki sauce. And then, I don't know if you can see, well, you probably not, but then we have some Trader Joe Sun soyaki sauce. I don't think I've ever heard of soyaki sauce, but this is the first time. So we got Coconut Dream. It's coconut water pretty much, and unsweetened. And then we have garden vegetable broth. And then after that, we just have chicken broth, which many of you guys have. We got baking soda. We put it in the fridge. And also, another reason you should watch my YouTube videos is because I will be doing like some fun experiences, like taking like stuff and mixing it. Like probably one of the experiences someday might be forget what it's called. Oh, Alka-Seltzer, and put it in like with some baking soda or baking powder. I think maybe baking powder. So yeah. So now we have some stuff in here that's supposed to be refrigerated. We have some tamale. I mean, not tamale, but like, I don't know how to read it, but, and then we have Latinoprost, and then we have another Latino post. So these are for my mom, so I'm not going to mess with them. And then we got Latino post again. And then that's just the cover of something. I don't know. So, and then we have some ham. We got some coleslaw. We have like the drinks here. We got like the salad. And I've never seen this before. I don't know if you guys seen it. It's 5 cheese tortellini. I'm saying it right. And I've actually never had this. Like, it doesn't look like cheese if you look at it. It doesn't really look like cheese too much. But, just go with it. And then we have this Haitian thing in the back. I forget what it's called. So I'm going to have to like do a part 2 of this, which is going to be the freezer. It's going to be part 2. And then we have some chicken. We got eggs. We got some peppers in here. We got some lettuce. We got some celery in there too. We got this is like a Haitian thing. We got like banan. I don't know if you guys know it, but you guys should. We got radishes, fresh. Radishes are fresh from the farm since 1896. And then we got some okra. Okay. And then we got some lemons in there. And then for the last but not least, we got yam. We got that stuff. We got kale. We got more lemons and stuff. I don't know why we don't just put it in the same thing. And that is the end of my bugs. That is the end of my what's in my fridge. So please subscribe on the side. If you want, in the description below, it's gonna be my Facebook, a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and I'm going to be making a part 2. And which is going to be my freezer, like what's in my freezer. But here's like a little sneak peek, so if I could just turn the camera. Here's a little sneak peek of the freezer. It's a mess, I know, don't judge. All freezers are a mess. So, bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you make it to the end of this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks, bye.